proud to sign teachers of the month. You're on fire.
Team vote.
How are you?
And they're all tagged.
Hey, it's Teacher Appreciation Week. I'd love to be able to go to every school in the state and personally shake the hand or give a hug to teachers across the great state of Louisiana for the amazing work that they're doing. Louisiana has never ranked higher in education ever, and that is a testament to the hard work of Louisiana's teachers. So while I would love to go to every classroom in the state today, it's just not possible. So we're here in Ascension Parish at Duplessis Primary. I had this fantastic cart that was 100% my idea to design. We're just happy to go to the classrooms, give teachers a snack, give them a drink, that would be water, and make sure that they know that they are truly appreciated. And so it's a small token. Wish we could do more, but look, I am just so thankful for the teachers across the state of Louisiana and the work that they do, and just glad to be here with them today on Teacher Appreciation Week.